Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn on Incognito mode in Google Chrome in PC. So I'll quickly open the Google Chrome, and once the Google Chrome is opened, at the top right corner where you have the three dots, just right there, click on that and you will find the third option, New Incognito window. You can also press Control Shift and N. Control Shift and N, and it will open the new Incognito window, and Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, information, websites, your employer, your internet. Your activity might still be visible to these, and Chrome won't save. So this is how you can open Incognito in Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.